Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here with Calvin Getz of Strategy Financial Group. Now, people are living longer today, and that is good news, but living a long time means your savings has to last longer as well. So Calvin, what are some tips to help make sure our savings will last?
Sure, Jen. Well, nearly 70% of Americans are worried about running out of money in retirement. So building a comprehensive written retirement income plan can help us really figure out if there's going to be a challenge in the future. We want to look at how the money's being saved, what categories it's in, making sure that there's a plan for income to last as long as you live. Ideally, that income would be inflation adjusted to keep up with a higher inflationary environment, making the right decisions on Social Security. And so that's why we've created this retirement roadmap kit, and the book that comes with it is to really help our clients navigate this new retirement environment.
Right, this whole idea of longevity and helping our money last, this is so different from when we're saving for retirement versus preserving it and helping give it the endurance that it needs, right?
That's right. People go through three phases, right? Accumulation, preservation, and distribution. So whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit can be very valuable for you.
Right, and income is so foundational to your retirement. To learn a little bit about how to help make sure that your retirement savings has enough endurance to last through retirement, which could be a long time, you can call, text, or go online to get Calvin's Retirement Roadmap Kit. Calvin, thanks so much for joining us here today.
Thank you, Jen.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report. We'll see you next time.